Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete ATM account. So if you also want to delete your ATM account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice and go to the ATM website. Simply type in airtm.com in the search bar and you'll be led to this kind of website. You can see the login option over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. At left you can see several options over here. Find the option for settings, click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your profile information over here. You can see several options like profile, verification, security, payment methods, apps and limits. All you have to do is click on the security option, which is at third. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. At last, you'll be able to see the option for account deletion. You can see the button delete account right over here. In order to delete your ATM account, all you have to do is click on it. Keep in mind that this action is not reversible. Now click on the option delete account. You can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Read these informations very carefully. If you change your mind, you can also click on the option cancel account deletion. If you want to delete the account, click on the option confirm and delete account. Now you'll have to select the reason why you decided to leave Airtm. You can see several options over here. Select the option of your choice. You can also provide the more details. It is not compulsory. Now click on the option send answer and delete account. Now your account is deleted. So that is how you delete AirTM account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.